Hey everyone, welcome back to Real English Fast from English Around Me. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
Today we're talking about making restaurant reservations by phone. Now, a reservation just means booking a table in advance, telling the restaurant, "Save me a table for tonight."
You know that feeling when you want to book a table for Friday night, but when you pick up the phone, you just freeze up and don't know what to say. Sound familiar?
By the end of this episode, you'll have the exact words you need to call any restaurant and book a table without that stress.
You know what, Sarah? This is one of those things that sounds really scary in your head, but it's actually pretty simple once you know the pattern.
Exactly. It's the same conversation every single time. Let's dive in. Okay, so here's the thing. Restaurant calls follow the same script everywhere. And I mean everywhere. First phrase you need, "I'd like to make a reservation, please."
I'd like to make a reservation, please. This is what you say right when they answer the phone. It's polite, it's clear, and it gets straight to the point.
Perfect example. The phone rings, someone picks up and says, "Mario's restaurant, how can I help you?" And you just say,
I'd like to make a reservation, please.
boom, done. Now, they're definitely going to ask how many people. You say, for 4 people or for 2 people, whatever your number is.
For 4 people or for 2 people. Just put in your actual number. Super simple. And hey, if it's just you, don't be shy about it. Just say for 1 person. Totally normal.
Absolutely. Now here's where it gets a little tricky sometimes. Let's say you want 7 p.m., but they might say that time is booked. Instead of panicking, you ask, "What times do you have available?"
What times do you have available? Sarah, this is such a smart question because then they do all the work. They tell you what's actually open.
Exactly. Much easier than playing guessing games. So they'll say something like, "We have 6:30 or 8:15 available." And if one of those works for you, you say, "That works perfectly."
That works perfectly. You know what? Americans really love this phrase. It sounds positive and enthusiastic, but not like over the top.
Right. It's just the right amount of energy. Okay, next they're going to ask for your name. Simple. The reservation is under. And then say your name. Like, the reservation is under Sarah. Or, the reservation is under Mike Johnson.
Quick tip here. If it's a really busy restaurant, use your last name too. Makes it easier for them to find you when you show up.
Smart. And here's my favorite one. This is the question that makes you sound like a pro. Do I need to call if I'm running late?
Do I need to call if I'm running late? Oh, I love that you include this because every restaurant has totally different policies about this stuff.
Exactly. Some places will give away your table after 15 minutes. Others are way more flexible. It's so much better to just know up front, right? All right, let's put this all together. I want you to hear what this actually sounds like in real life. Mike's going to be the restaurant, I'll be the customer, and then we'll have you practice too.
Sounds good. Here we go. Mario's restaurant, good afternoon.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Of course, for how many people?
For 4 people.
Perfect. And what day were you thinking?
This Friday night, around 7 if you have it.
Let me check for you. Okay, Friday at 7 is actually booked solid.
Oh, what times do you have available?
We have 6:30 or 8:15 available.
6:30 works perfectly.
Excellent. And can I get a name for the reservation?
The reservation is under Sarah Miller.
Great. Sarah Miller for 4 people, Friday at 6:30.
And do I need to call if I'm running late?
Just give us a quick call if you're going to be more than 15 minutes late. We'll hold the table for you, though.
Perfect, thank you so much.
We'll see you Friday.
Did you hear how we used all those phrases? Now let's practice the key ones together. I'll say them, and you repeat after me, okay?
Ready? Here we go.
I'd like to make a reservation, please. For 4 people. What times do you have available? That works perfectly. The reservation is under. Do I need to call if I'm running late? Nice. You're getting it.
Now here's the fun part. Let's do a role play. Sarah's going to be the restaurant, and you are the customer. We'll ask the questions, you give the answers, and then we'll tell you what we would say. Ready?
Absolutely. Remember, you can pause the episode anytime if you need more time to think. Here we go. Tony's Italian Restaurant. Good evening.
You can say, "Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please."
Great. For how many people?
You could say, "For 2 people," or whatever your number is.
Perfect. And what day were you thinking?
Try this Saturday night around 7.
Let me check. Oh, that time is actually booked.
Now you ask, what times do you have available?
We have 6 o'clock or 8:30 available.
Pick one. You can say 6 o'clock works perfectly.
Excellent. And can I get a name for the reservation?
Say, the reservation is under, and then your actual name, like, the reservation is under John Smith.
Perfect. Do you have any other questions?
This is where you ask, do I need to call if I'm running late?
Just give us a call if you're running more than 10 minutes late. We'll see you then.
How did that feel? You just made a real reservation. Practice this a few more times this week, and you'll be totally confident. You know what? That wasn't so scary, was it?
Not at all. And that's really it. You now have the exact words you need to book a table anywhere. Just those 6 phrases we covered, and you're totally set.
I'd really recommend practicing these out loud this week. Even if you're just talking to yourself in the mirror, it actually helps so much.
Definitely. And next time you want to try that new restaurant everyone's talking about, just pick up the phone. You know exactly what to say now.
Thanks for listening to Real English Fast from English Around Me, everyone.
We'll catch you next time.